Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Most of the people are asking me why the Stellar is not performing as that much well like the Zcash, Phantom, Shiba Inu, and different other altcoins have been performing in the previous days. And let me to show you why the Stellar, even though it performed very well, it rallied up to 44 cents, but how it can outperform in upcoming days after breaking out a very big resistance of the rising wedge. And in today's video, I want to discuss with you this big rising wedge pattern and what can be our next target. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I have shared with you. Now, let me show you first of all my recent analysis that I shared on 20th of October for my members at the Patreon. That was the formation of a harmonic bullish reversal guard day move, and I told them that from here the price line can be reversed bullish. This was formed on the 4-hourly time frame, and after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved up from this buying zone and hit the sell targets here, moved down again, moved up again, and after some zigzag move, you can see that the price line still moving approximately at the same level. Even it rallied up to 44 cents, but now you can see it is approximately at the same level at 38 cents. And now I want to show you another pattern that is still in play and still valid, and that is a very big harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that I shared with you in the month of June, on 19th of June, when the price line just completed the final leg of the very big bullish reversal harmonic cipher move. And I told you that from this buying zone we can have a reversal, and the targets were 44.39 cents and goes to 67.57 cents. Now after playing the chart, we can see that finally on this 2-week time frame chart, the price line rallied up to 44.12 cents. That was really very close to these sell targets. Now why I am showing you this pattern, because in my point of view, after such a bullish reversal, the price line can have a very big support for the next breakout, because now the price line has formed this very big rising wedge pattern. You can see that this is the weekly time frame chart, and we also have very strong support of 28 cents that is also working as a key support. You can see that here it was working as a very strong support. The price line was not able to break down the support, and here after first it was working as a support here, and after breaking down it has been working as a resistance, and right now it is working as a very nice support. We have tested this support here, here, and here as well, and finally the price line is rising to the upside, and this move has formed the rising wedge pattern. Now what can be our next target according to this rising wedge? If we will have a breakout, then if I place this trend line, that is the measurement from this tail of the rising wedge up to the support, that is approximately at 62.2 cents. And if I switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can see that almost 2 days ago here we had a very strong attempt by the price line to break out this resistance, but it is rejected, and I'm expecting that it can again move up and make another attempt for this breakout. And after this breakout, we can expect a very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.